Mastering Fliki, your ultimate guide to success. Welcome to your go-to resource on everything Fliki, the innovative platform that's changing the game. Our first stop is account setup. It's a breeze with Fliki's user-friendly interface, ensuring beginners feel instantly at home. Next, we dive into navigating Fliki. Its innovative dashboard is your command center. Here, you control your Fliki universe. Now, let's talk customization. Fliki's flexibility lets you tailor your experience, so it feels just right for you. Creating and managing content on Fliki is a cinch too. It's all about simplicity and efficiency, without compromising on quality. Lastly, we'll touch on Fliki's community. They are a global network of collaborators and innovators, just waiting to connect. Join us on this journey and unlock the full potential of Fliki. Welcome to the future of digital collaboration.